Hey, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start a successful YouTube channel here in the year 2020 in just 5 easy steps. My goal is to make this easy on you, so this is the video for you. If you are looking to start that passive income flow, if you want a new side hustle, if you're ready to finally dive into video marketing, this video is for you. Because look, I'm here to help you blow up your business through video, because money is fire and video, it's the lighter. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the light. Hey, how's it going? My name is Augie Johnson with VidChops.com, where our goal is to help video creators and entrepreneurs get off the hamster wheel and create a full-time income doing what they love. So if that sounds good to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and click the bell so you don't miss a video. Okay, so my goal with this is to keep it as simple as possible. I want you to take out a piece of paper, and all you're gonna really need to do is write down 5 different bullet points. And if you wanna add a few little details underneath each one, that'll help you. But really, just these 5 things is all you're gonna need to get that channel up and running. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is create your messaging. You're gonna need to decide how you wanna open up your videos. Every video you shoot should have some sort of hook that is special to that video to try to grab the viewer's attention. You're gonna need to write that hook every single time for every single video. What I'm talking about is just creating a short little 1 sentence that's going to introduce you and your channel. You probably recognize mine saying, hey, how's it going? My name is Augie Johnson, blah, blah, blah. You need one of those too. And also, you're gonna wanna create some sort of outro or some sort of ending or closure to your videos, asking them to subscribe, telling them what to do next, which I recommend to watch another one of your videos, and just to bring closure to the video. And finally, the last thing that I would include in my messaging is just a short note on what your channel stands for. What kind of personal values or expectations can your viewers expect to see when they come to your channel and watch one of your videos? It's a good idea to be polarizing in your videos, because that way you're really able to find your true target audience, the kind of people that you really want to connect with. The second thing you're going to want to do when you start your YouTube channel is to create your branding. So the first thing I would do is just create a very basic style guide. Now, style guides can be super in-depth, but listen, we're trying to make this easy on you. So instead of creating an actual style guide, just write down what kind of colors you want to use. So you'll want to make note of the actual hexadecimal that you're going to be using that starts with that hashtag or that pound sign and has 6 digits after it. You're going to write down 2 different colors that are going to be your main channel colors. Also in that style guide, the last thing that I'm going to ask you to do is just to jot down what kind of font you want to use. What is the main font of your channel? And then you're also going to write down a secondary font as well. Also, for your branding, you're going to want to obviously create a logo. I recommend either whipping one up yourself or just going to places like Upwork or Fiverr and paying $5 to $10 for a logo. Okay, so now that you have the logo, the next thing is also going to be some more graphics. You're going to need to create your channel art. Now, if you take a look at my channel art, it's very simple. I recommend you do the same thing. The image, it's got to be a certain size so that it fits on mobile, so that it fits on smart TVs, so that the image fits on your regular iMac or just desktop computer. And like I said, I would keep it simple yet professional. And along with your main banner image, you're also going to want to create or come up with some sort of profile pic that you're going to use. Now, I normally recommend that your profile pic be an actual face over a logo, because people, they connect with people, and that's exactly what we're going for here. And the last step in your branding is just to kind of choose maybe 1 or 2 songs, royalty-free music, of course, that you'd like to use in your videos, so that every single video you create, you're not out there hunting through a library of royalty-free music, spending hours just to find the perfect song. Just choose 1 or 2 that'll help you build your brand and run with those. Now, if you don't know where to find royalty-free music, go ahead and click the first link in the description, and I'm gonna go ahead and share with you a report that I created myself for video creators that's gonna help give you 5 amazing resources that you can start using, one being free, royalty-free music. And that brings us to our third and probably most ninja step in starting a new YouTube channel, which I'm seeing a lot of brands doing and new YouTubers that are coming out launching new channels, and that's to actually grow an audience on a separate platform to YouTube, so that when you do launch your YouTube channel, you have somewhere to cross promote and drive people to your videos, and that's really gonna help you in the YouTube algorithm. Grow a large email list before you launch your YouTube channel, or grow an Instagram following or a TikTok following, so that when you do post that first video on YouTube, it's not just crickets. You can drive people off those other platforms or off your email list to that new video, start to rack up subscribers, get that video view velocity, and maybe even get it ranked. But Augie, how do I grow a following? How do I grow an email list? Well, that would take a long time, and that's an entirely different video. But I'm completely self-taught myself, so you're gonna hear me in these videos a lot of times just say something kind of more general. And I expect you guys to be action takers and be the ones that say, okay, it says grow an email list, let me take a quick look. Because trust me, those kind of things are really gonna help you out. Okay, so now you have the messaging, you have the branding, you have the Instagram following, let's just say. It's time to start creating videos.
What kind of videos?
Well, if you're a new YouTuber, I recommend your first few videos only target search. And what I mean by that is that you wanna target certain keywords that your target audience is gonna be searching on YouTube. When I started my basketball training channel, that's exactly what I did. And I would rank videos for how to do a crossover, how to shoot a basketball. And my video would get ranked in the search so that when my target audience, kids learning how to play basketball, would search YouTube in order to get better, my video would show there, they would click on it, they would watch it, I would help them, I would deliver them value, and they would become a subscriber. And listen, you're new to the platform. You're not gonna go rank for some video like how to make money online. It's just too competitive. You need to target long tail keywords, which are basically just search terms that are longer. Yes, they have lower search volume, but really, you are just trying to get any kind of views when you first start. And even if a search term is only getting, let's say, 1,000 views a month, if you rank number 1, 2, or 3 for that search term, you are gonna constantly have views trickling into your video, which is gonna be huge as a new YouTuber. I personally like to use a tool called vidIQ to find my search terms. And what you try to do is basically find search terms that have a decent amount of search volume. It doesn't have to be a lot, like I said. And then also you wanna make sure that you find ones that have low competition. So once I find a search term like that, I really just try to look at the top maybe 5 or 6 videos that rank for that. And if those videos are from channels that aren't like 1 million subscribers, maybe like 25,000 subscribers or 80,000 subscribers or maybe 150,000 subscribers, and those are the channels that are ranking there, then that lets me know that it isn't that competitive and that I do have a chance to rank. Like I said, this is all about keeping it simple. All right, now that brings us to step number 5, and that is to create amazing looking, sounding, and entertaining videos. I'm sorry, but gone are the days of bad audio and bad video on YouTube. Does that mean you need a $2,000 lens and a $1,000 camera and all this other kinds of crazy equipment? No, it doesn't. You can actually just use your iPhone and grow a huge following on YouTube. But you have to understand how video works, how lighting works, how audio works to get the most out of your smartphone. So learn those basics. Learn what a key light is. Learn what a fill light is. Learn how to shoot outdoors. Learn how to get good audio. And then you're gonna be able to get that great looking footage and that great audio that sounds great, because audio is just as important as the video. They go hand in hand. But in this step, you just need to publish. And if the videos you're publishing are bad because you don't understand the lighting yet and you don't understand all these kind of things, your camera presence is off and you just don't seem to be able to make great videos, that's fine. Don't give up. Don't quit. If no one's watching, they're missing out. Just keep on making videos and understand that you are just in what I call the learning phase. It's inevitable. Your videos are gonna get better. They're gonna sound better, you're gonna get better on camera, and people are gonna start taking notice. You're one video away from a major breakthrough, and that's the mindset. Just keep getting better, one video at a time. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you catch the next video. Like I said, my name is Augie Johnson with VidChops. Thank you so much for watching. Matter of fact, go ahead and watch another one of my videos right there. I'm here to help video creators and entrepreneurs get off the hamster wheel and make a full-time income doing what they love. Thank you.